I'm Rebecca, your speech language pathologist, and you're watching Retrieving Speech. On today's episode of Retrieving Speech, we will be reviewing the lesson for scrambled eggs in a mug. So let's go over today's learning targets. I can sequence events. I can use transition words like first, next, and then. I can use past tense verbs. When you see the stop sign, pause the video to model vocabulary or to wait for a student to respond to the question. Let's review the instructions. First, wash your hands. Second, spray the inside of the mug with cooking oil. Third, crack 2 eggs. Let the insides fall into the bowl. Fourth, stir the eggs with the fork. Fifth, put the mug in the microwave. Set the timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds and press start. Sixth, take the mug out of the microwave. And finally, eat the scrambled eggs. Here are all of the instructions we need to follow to make scrambled eggs in a mug. But look, the steps are out of order. It's your job to put all 7 steps back in order. So, what did you do first? Find the picture of the first step and use a complete sentence to explain what you did using the word first. First, I washed my hands. Have your student repeat this sentence. What happened second? Second, I sprayed the mug with cooking oil. Have your student repeat this sentence. What happened third? Third, I cracked 2 eggs and let the insides fall into the mug. Have your student repeat this sentence. What happened after? After, I stirred the eggs with a fork. Have your student repeat this sentence. What happened then? Then, I put the eggs in the microwave and set the timer. Have your student repeat this sentence. What happened next? Next, I took the mug out of the microwave. Have your student repeat this sentence. What happened last? Lastly, I ate the scrambled eggs. Have your student repeat this sentence. So how did you do? Let's reflect. For each learning target, communicate whether you did it by yourself or with help. I can sequence events by myself or with help. I can use transition words like first, next, and then by myself or with help. I can use past tense verbs by myself or with help. This concludes today's lesson review of the recipe Scrambled Eggs in a Mug. Tune into part 4 of this video series where we will discuss critical thinking questions related to this lesson.